Hey, what's up guys? Winston here, and as you know, I've been doing a lot of live streaming lately, and one of the problems I've encountered is that I have several audio sources but only like a limited input on my computer. So one of the solution is to get myself a mixer, and I've got myself one of these. It's the Alto ZMX52. This mixer is a 5-channel mixer with some effects and also a nice large master volume dial rather than slider. So with this I should be able to connect all my audio sources and mix them up and then put it into the PC as one audio input. With that, less hassle, less problems, and obviously a better sound. So let's get cracking with the unboxing, and we'll see how it goes. See you later. Alright, so we have the Alto Professional, the ZMX52. It's a 5-channel mixer, compact 5-channel mixer. Let's do a quick unboxing. Alright, so we have the instruction manual. Yep, quick start guide. There's the power pack. 18 volts power pack. And the actual mixer itself. That's all inside the box. That's what you have inside the box. That's it. So this is the Alto Professional ZMX52. It's a compact 5-channel mixer. Very nice. Notice the dial here for the master volume, the master level there. I like this. I prefer this than the slider itself there. Then you have the peak and obviously the output level LEDs there. Here, mic XLR and line in, so you can put a mic in these. That's one channel. That's the second channel here. So you have a stereo left and right, and there's this third channel left and right. Obviously, you can actually put other inputs as mono, so you can have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 channels there. Okay. Headphone out, and then there's your levels there. There's some effects, not much. There's the gain equalizer for the the high and the low. There's the pan effect right here, and then the levels here for channel 1, and then channel 2 or 3. Of course, this is the balance there, and the volume level, and the same thing here for the channel as well. There's your phones for your phones control, the mains, and then obviously auxiliary to the phone or to the mix, and then you've got auxiliary in and out as well. The back here we have the on-off switch, and obviously the included power pack was 18 volts, and that is it. So it's not USB controlled, but it's mains with the adapter, but is exactly what I need. I've seen other mixers on the market for streaming, but I prefer this because you can actually use this as for musical instruments as well, rather than just USB connecting to your computer. So with this, I should be able to plug in my microphone. Obviously other devices, such as, for example, I have a kind of a tone, kind of a jingle mixer that can actually go in here. Camera as well, camera phone, camera audio out goes in here, for example. So I can have up to 5 channels of audio mix going into this mixer, and actually using this to go streaming or broadcasting and so on. So this is a pretty good buy. $49 US. You can't go wrong with this. It's an excellent buy, excellent bargain, value for money as well. It's a 5-channel compact audio mixer, suitable for streaming as well. So we'll be plugging this and using this for our future live streams, as well as broadcasts for podcasts and so forth. So this is it. This is the Alto Professional ZMX52, the compact 5-channel mixer, suitable for all your audio devices, as well as obviously using it for live streaming as well. Very nice. Here we have the Alto Professional ZMX52 mixer all set up, and on this side we have the microphone, and here we have the line in. That's actually coming from the computer, and then also going back into computer we have this then as the full mix. On this side we have the headphone socket here, and that's plugged into my headphones, so monitoring the audio, and obviously all the different gains and settings that you can have here as well. Levels for your microphone here, and also here for channel 2 and 3 here, and channel 4 if we plug in more here, and then the master volume dial to monitoring your sound, and also putting the main level up or down. So all in all, it's a very easy mixer to set up. I was up and running in less than 5 minutes, and now I can get all my audio sources going in here, having a great audio experience for podcasts, live streaming, and just general recording. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget you can actually purchase this item via the links down there. And until then, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.